All right, so this is the tool that you make your watermelon balls with. I'm going to show you how to do it. So there's our watermelon. I take my little ball thing, and I'm just going to go in there like this, scoop it, and bam, there's your watermelon ball. Done. That's how you do it. You get a nice flat edge in this side so it sits on your plate. That's how you make a watermelon ball. And, good. See our watermelon balls? Bam. And I'm all out of leaves. Those are cucumbers. All right, so first thing you need is a toothpick. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab a leaf. You're going to shove the mint leaf through the toothpick like that. That looks terrible. Do we have any more leaves? All right, we're going to do this. You're going to take your leaf like this.
That's plenty.
You're going to shove the toothpick through it. Bam. You're going to grab one of your cucumbers, shove that baby on there. Then you're going to get a watermelon ball. Bam. That's how you do it.
Garnish it. I'm going to do a thing of mint leaf on like on the top of it. Trays that you can put food on. I assume Maria knows. A lot of my silver you're not supposed to put food on.
Really? Mm-hmm. Well, that's fine. I mean, silver's it's good for your testicles.
This is not silver.
All right, this is mint, cucumber, feta cheese, and a watermelon ball.
If I have any mint left, I think I took them all apart.
All right, so we couldn't get the feta to ball up, so we just sprinkled it. And you know what? That's good enough.
Where did I put that mint?
Oh yeah, that looks good.
You do it without ripping it.
So I'm going to show you how to make this one. All right. First you need a toothpick. Then you need one of these leaves, which I believe this is a basil leaf. And then I just got to kind of like get the toothpick to go through it. That didn't work.
Oh, it didn't work. Huh, imagine that.
These are a little bit more difficult. So you got to get the leaf right between your fingers. And then you got to get it right through the center like that. Bam, done. You see that?
You have to go on.
Now,
Yeah. No, you have to
wait,
go
I'm
on.
not done.
But yeah, but you'll see what happens.
No.
I'll let you see what happens. Go ahead.
Then I'm
I'll
going
show
to
you
push
what
this
happens.
in there.
Uh-huh.
And what happens is that you get, like, because she's such a genius, you have to move it up a little bit because it gets pulled into the,
Uh-huh.
That looks good.
Nope. Yeah. No.
That looks good.
Uh-huh.
Hang on a minute.
Yeah. See, that looks cool with the mint. With the
Now I got to put the
spray.
watermelon in.
You know what
All
I mean?
right, check it out. Here's the watermelon. Bam, done. Look at that. Huh? And over here, we have mozzarella, watermelon, and that is a basil on that one. And then we're going to do jalapenos, watermelon, and cilantro. And that's our cilantro right there. She is a master of party, what do you call these? Hors d'oeuvres. So
I think better
that
around
looks
it.
like some weeds just grew there.
Okay.
All right, I think we need to move that around. All right, so that's our plate so far. I just got to fill the rest of that up. And she's putting mint leaves all around this. And I think this is probably going to be the
So
tastiest
I need 5. I just need 5 because that's too big.
Well, you got 4, so you need
Right. I
maybe
need one
you
more.
have to put
'cause
some
it has to
over
be
here.
uneven. So it'll be right
And we're
there.
getting there. And this one, look out.
Hurricane? What? Oh. Oh, that's what you can do. Go up and see if you can find any more of those clips. They're so perfect. Look all in your drawer. Put that over there. See if you can find that little... Oh, I need one more of those little clips.
First, I want to see how you do this. Oh, yeah. And those don't go on the top? The jalapeno goes on the top.
Well, I guess they now make sure you see the jalapeno, which makes sense. You know what I mean?
Ah, you're not hiding it from them. Because this will burn your mouth. And the finishing touches. A little bit of cilantro as a garnish. I just shoved it. There you go. Nicely played.
Maybe both.
Yeah.